This is a 2010 GMC Terrain 2.4. I'm going to show you how to change out the negative battery cable. So there'll be a plug here, smaller plug here. This is the current one. You don't have to take this one off, this nut off or anything. This plug disconnects from here. Just pull that, push that in, and pull it off. And your smaller one is connected underneath it, right there. And it's, you pull, go to the side, right there, push that in, pull it off. And then there's going to be two tricky parts: taking your long cable off, and it rests, goes under here, around this hose, and it's connected, kind of like stabilized with this bracket that goes around the coolant hose that goes to your thermostat. And where it connects is right in the center of the screen. You'll see a nut with a red dot. That's a 15 millimeter. You'll screw that nut off, and it'll be wrapped from here behind this hose, and then it connects sideways on it. This is what the nut will look like. 15 millimeter. To get to that pretty conveniently, you'll use a 13, take these two out, and gently move this to the side. So it's there. Just move it over a bit. Once you disconnect that, pull it off the stud, pull that wiring out, and then your other one is underneath here. I believe that's a 13 millimeter. You could get with it with a 13 millimeter wrench, or you may be able to get a long extension come from the top. You just have to screw that off, that nut, and then take that wire off. To get out of this, if you don't know already, you have to take your, well, first you'll take this off. There will be other videos that show you how to do that. But you'll take that off, your plastic, and these metal brackets. And they're kind of self-explanatory, but I just want to show you exactly how to, especially this one will scare a lot of people. So I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment.